want to know. Hey, what is going on, guys? It is Scrappy here, and today we are back with another phone game. In today's episode, we're going to be playing Meowdoku. No idea what this game... It's basically, from what I read, it's going to be basically Sudoku, but with cats. I've never played Sudoku before, and I don't know how to play, so this will be interesting. Double tap to place a cat on the cell. Okay. Okay, well done. Only one cat per color. Okay. Cats can't be in the same row or column. Okay. Tap empty cells to exclude them. Okay. So that's out. Okay. Cat there. Okay. Okay. And then find the last cat. So cool! I have no idea how that works, but hey, we did it! Okay, so can't go there, there, or there, there. Okay. So we'll go with that one. Which means that. Okay. 1, 2. Cool. We did it! Yes! Tap the bell to spark your streak. Okay. Oh. Okay. I got the dancing cat. Inquiring minds want to know. What? Okay, so no. No. I guess it's kind of like meow, 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 meow. So we'll go there. What? Okay. How the... That is... Only one chance left? Then it has to be... They can't be catty cornered. Okay. Wait, no. That's a cat. That's a cat. That's annoying. That. Not that. Not that, or that. Or that. That. Okay. Dang it! Okay. Yes! How did I fail on level freaking 2? Stupid cats! I'm not a cat person. I will be the first to tell you that. I'm not a cat person. So we got that one. That. Why did the cat just jump up? That. And it can't be there, or there. Okay. Seems completely unreasonable. Okay. What? Oh, only one cat per color. Okay, I'm shut up. Okay. That one. That. Okay. So then 1, 2. Yes! Think I'm getting the hang of this game. We got this! Beat 86.3% of players. You showed extraordinary logic. I feel smart. Okay, so no pink, because only one cat per color. That. And that. Okay. So. Go there. No. There. Okay. Not there. Not there. There, or there. Okay. Oh, or there. Okay. Okay, so there's obviously going to be there, so which means no. Yes! Got him. Okay. That. Okay. It's a narrow it down game. Can't be there, can't be there. Okay. Is it going to be in the corner? You know what? In the corner would be the safest spot. Okay. So then you're there. You're there. Yes! I did it! I beat 91%. That's 5% better than my last game. Yay! I'm smart! Ah! Sorry. Not really. Wait, no, that's supposed to be a cat. We'll do one more, and then we'll call that an episode. Why did the cat jump up and dance again? Okay. That narrows that down. We got this, guys! Okay, so that's gonna be there. Which means nothing there, or there, or there, or there, or there, or there, or there. Which means that's gonna be there. Nothing there, 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 there. I think I got this. The cat jumped up and danced again. Curl. Oh, and I already got the brown. So we'll go with that one, that, and final. Yeah! Perfection. 0 mistakes. Every cat placed perfectly. You know, it's because I am perfect. I have to do everything perfectly. I am the man. So, you already know. I would have to give this game more than likely, if I were to rate this game, I would say it's probably about, it's a time-killing game, definitely, on that. I'd say it's probably about a 4 out of 5, be my, honest opinion, which you don't see very often, so be grateful. But anyway, guys, that'll go ahead and wrap it up for this video. If you like the video and you're new to the channel, please hit that like and that subscribe button. Comment down below, what phone game do you want to see next? Bonus game. Here we go. Let's go. We did it! Until next time, peace.